Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Chili chicken is a favorite for many, but due to its heavy oil content, people who are a bit health conscious do not prefer it most of the time. So to make it enjoyable for everyone, I'm going to show you all a really nice no oil chili chicken recipe. So why wait? Let's get started and check it out. Take a wide wok or kadai for this recipe. First add 10 slit green chillies to the kadai. Keep the flame on low since we are not adding any oil, otherwise chillies can get burnt. Now add a few fresh curry leaves. Also add 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, 2 teaspoons of fresh ginger garlic paste and mix well. Maintain the flame on low at this point too. Now add 2 cups of water to this and increase the flame to medium. Mix well and let the masala mixture come to a boil. After you see the bubbles, add 1 kilo of clean chicken pieces. I'm adding them with bone. Boneless chicken is not mandatory for this recipe. Keep the flame on medium-high and cook the chicken for 5 minutes. After you mix the chicken pieces well, add the juice of half lemon. Now mix it all again. This is a great dish for those who are on diet watching the calorie count. Now cover the kadai with the lid and cook the chicken for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, you can see that the juices are released nicely and the chicken is cooked. At this stage, add 1 onion cut into wedges and 1 capsicum cut into wedges. Keep the flame on high and mix all these well. To this, add 3 teaspoons of soy sauce and give it all a quick mix. For the corn flour slurry, mix 1 teaspoon of corn flour with 1/4 cup of water. Add this to the kadai and mix well. Make sure the excess moisture is gone. Once the gravy thickens, sprinkle some chopped coriander leaves and mix again. There you go, our no oil chili chicken is ready to be served nice and hot. This is a great dish for all the chicken lovers and it's loaded with flavors. It also makes for a perfect starter recipe. Beautiful. Wow, that chili chicken tasted amazing and you can hardly tell the difference between the two. So if you guys are on a diet, this is a dish that you can enjoy guilt-free. So don't forget to share it with your family and friends. Try it and let me know how it turned out for you guys in the comment section below. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. You can now buy the second edition of our home cooking book at shop.homecookingshow.in.